Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah ta'ala, today we will analyze the second ayah of Surah Mulk. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Now this ayah begins with the word الذي. الذي. Now here, if you look at this word begins with Hamzatul Wasl. And Hamzatul Wasl here is given a fatha. Okay, الذي. Take care of the makhraj of dal. The tip of your tongue should touch the edges of the front teeth. Okay, if you look into the mirror, it will be as if your tongue is coming outside. Okay, it's just because of the makhraj. Your tongue isn't coming outside actually. Okay, alladhi. Give your yama 2 counts over here. Alladhi khalaqa. Khalaqa. The kha here should be read with the bubbling sound in it. Kha, kha, okay? And then lam is a light letter, khala. And then the qaf is a heavy letter again without air. Khalaqa, khalaqa. Now join your qaf with the lam. Khalaqal mauta. Now don't make your lam heavy because of the qaf. Your qaf is a heavy letter, but your lam is a light letter. After you read your qaf, while joining your qaf with the lam, your lam should still stay light. Don't make it heavy because of the qaf. Okay? Khalaqal, not qal. Okay? Khalaqal mauta. Mauta. Now here you see this. You have here waw lean. Okay, so the sound of your waw lean should be mo over, not mo. Okay, mo. Khalaqal mauta wal hayata. Join your waw with the lam. Wal. Okay, your lam still here should be light and it should be given moderate time. Don't bounce your lam, not wala. Wal hayata. Your ha should be sharp from the middle part of your throat. Ha, ha. Okay. Wal hayata. Now here, if you look at this one, this waw is just the chair. Don't read it as al hayawata. Okay, it's not that. It is hayata. Okay, this is given 2 counts over here. This waw is just the chair. And this is counted as alif mad. This alif saghira is counted as alif mad and it is given 2 counts. Okay? Wal hayata liyabluwakum. Liyab. Now what are you doing to your ba over here? You are giving qalqala. Okay? Now what is qalqala? Qalqala is bouncing of the letter. Okay? Ba is ba has strong makhraj. If you do not do qalqala on it, your ba is not identified. It's not clear. Okay, so bounce your ba over here. Liyabluwakum. Your meme should be given moderate timing over here. Liyabluwakum, not kum. Don't read this kaf as kum. No, kum. لِيَبْلُوَكُمْ أَيُّكُمْ. Your ya has a shadda. So actually here there is a rule which is known as nabr. But for now, you just concentrate on how you read it. It should be ayyukum. Okay? Ayyukum ahsanu. Join your hamza with the ha and run your ha. The sound of your ha should be sharp. Ahsanu. Your sin should be light with the whistling sound in it, and the noon should be given 1 count. Ahsanu amala. Amala. Ayn should be given 1 count, and it should be from its makhraj, not like hamza. Mim should be light and should be given 1 count, and then your lam here should be given 2 counts because it is with this fathatan. Whenever you have a word that ends with fathatan, while stopping, you will give it 2 counts. Okay? Sorry, 2 counts. So it should be amala. Okay, you can stop over here because you have this jim over here. It's one of the signs of stopping. Waq. Okay, so you can stop over here. Then وهو all the letters are light, and what will you do? You will join this wow with the lam. وهو العزيز الغفور. عزيز Ayn should be from its makhraj. Z should be given 2 counts with the buzzing sound in it. Azizul Ghafur. Your ra at the end should be heavy. So practice it well with the Shaykh, inshallah ta'ala. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.